At Chye Joo Construction, we co-developed this challenge to address the crucial needs for enhancing drone data collection and ensuring seamless integration with BEAMP software. Accurate data is vital. It guides contractors' decisions and shared with clients, directly affecting project success.
We completely agree. At Chye Joo Construction, the main challenge we face is updating the accurate progress data. Without it, getting a clear view of the project progress is very difficult.
At Operva.ai, our solution AirPlan stands out because we leverage AI-powered ground control point detection, advanced photogrammetry algorithms, and a software platform designed for the built environment professional. This allows us to produce precise 3D models and 2D automosaic images to help our clients track construction progress effectively. The clearer and more reliable data translates into better decision-making.
For us, the AirPlan solution has added various export formats to support our work and offering more flexibility. The ground control point also allow us to create higher accuracy model for progress analysis.
Yeah, we totally agree as well. AirPlan consistently delivers high accurate orthomosaic images. It advances features such as overlaying drawings and importing 3D models, greatly enhance our analysis, allowing for more informed progress update. It's an invaluable tool for comprehensive project insights.
While this solution was initially targeted at brownfield sites, it can also be applied for greenfield projects. Moving forward with AirPlan, we are looking into integrating better sensors and embedding more data into the 3D models to unlock even further use cases.
At Chye Joo Construction, we plan to continue using AirPlan not just for progress management, but also to explore additional use cases such as the SPO model verification and also the progress payment.
At Chye Joo Construction, we'll continue using this solution throughout the remainder of our current project, where it has already been proven instrumental in driving the development. Looking ahead, we plan to apply it to future projects to ensure consistently accurate data, streamline workflows, and improve project outcomes across the range of initiatives.
We have received valuable guidance from the challenge statement owners, and the support from BEAMP has been tremendous. We are very grateful for that.
We were attracted to BEAMP's focus on fostering innovative, tech-driven solutions that not only meet contractors' needs but also empower local talent to develop these solutions.
BEAMP provides an efficient platform for us to find the right solution provider to address our challenge directly.